The CM Solar Mission is a flagship initiative by the Government of Meghalaya, implemented by the Meghalaya New and Renewable Energy Development Agency (MNREDA). Its goal is to make the state energy resilient and environmentally sustainable. CM Solar Mission is a program designed to be affordable and accessible. Small households only need to contribute 10% of the cost. The state government covers the rest, providing a 50-90% subsidy, with the remaining amount for larger systems covered by simple bank loans. To apply for the CM Solar Mission scheme, you can consult with MNREDA and submit your application through the district administration, or contact your nearest block development officer (BDO).
Usumbut Menteri Rang Ba Kejelau Ba Sniawbhalang Dhar ulong ba ke Sorkar kala Tehlakam man la kesngi ban Tehlakam ke jingwan Rung Briew ke Nabar bat ibuan Rung bean bat mentaru kedang ya cekamat bat wat nak kaliang ketenat labor ba ketenat jengok kai perthairu ki jipen long ya kejing kemi bnia akatan umling. Ha ke bedai ba kejing dawa penterekam ya ke airline permit bat ke MRSSA uba Sniawbhalang Dhar ulong ba ke Sorkar kala shimkhia kania badang ha ubenai ubalalet. Menteri Rang Ba bad menteri ketenat korbari kejela kelele ikendo ulat kejela ban bodien bad ban lej ban penbor ba ken lei eno halor kene kamat.
No, you know very well from the government we are always on the job to prevent all this influx and illegal migrants. You know very well, and even today we are still on. And you know very well, yes, of course, from the labor department, even from the tourism point of view, we used to put there in the opening area. So that is as usual. Government is always we are here, not to allow illegal movement in the states. It's always.
So coming back to the same demands about MRSSA, ILP. So what is the
No, this one, yes, about you know where CM has met the Union Home Minister from time to time, and also from Home Minister and CM. Even this last month they made the governor about this, so we are pushing it.